Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to jump into a video, a little bit different style video. It was definitely requested by a lot of people, so I really hope you enjoy it. If you do, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know. If you don't, also let me know, and I won't do them anymore. But it's more of a point of view kind of thing with these repairs and stuff. So Chris dropped off his 350Z that was given to him, that was totaled. Not sure of the story, but the car had been hit from the rear and it pushed the rear panel in about 18 inches, completely totaled. So we had to put it on the frame rack, pull it. Yeah, so hope you like the journey of this build. We did this entire thing in 2 days, so let me know what you guys think. Also, we do have a winner for the paint giveaway. His name is Daniel out of Oregon. He has a EG Civic Coupe, and I am currently working with him on getting the car transported out to us, or me going to pick the car up, or me going there to do I'm not sure yet. One way or another, I'm going to take care of it for the guy. We are talking, he's texting me back and forth. We just have to get something set up. So that's in the works. There is a winner, and he has come forward. So definitely stay tuned for that. That will be a full video on this channel as soon as I get the car. He sent me pictures and everything. It's going to be pretty cool. It's not bad, but we can make it a whole lot better. So enjoy the video. See you. Looks like they got this thing pretty much pulled. They're tacking everything back together. This was literally all the way here. It was about 18-20 inches pushed up, but it's pulled out. If you guys look compared to what it was, it's pulled back out. So actually, maybe I'll run home today and grab the hatch for this and bring it back just to put it on and make sure all the gaps are fixed, but it looks about 90%. Obviously, it's a little mangled, and it will never be perfect because it's such a bad kink, but you'll never see that anyways with the bumper on. We'll get it as close as possible, bolt the bash bar back onto the factory spots, make sure all of that lines up, and the hatch closes, put the lights in. If everything's good, we can move on to the next step. That's all of this pulled back out. Looks really, really good. So we have the new hatch, put the hatch on and make sure that all the gaps and everything are correct. A couple pieces beneath this A-pillar finisher panel. If you have one of these in Central Florida and it's not broken and you can get it off in one piece, I'll buy both sides. I actually really like the spoiler. We're going to keep it on. So what we're doing now, this is going to be a simple paint job. We're not going to really do any of the body work because it's getting overs, and the rest of the body honestly is pretty straight. So it's going to get a bumper, it's getting over fender, or it's getting wide fenders in the front, side skirts, overs in the rear. So realistically, the only thing we really care about is the roof, the hatch, and the hood. Everything else is solid. Also got Alberto, my buddy Albert with the GoPro, going to town. So huge shout out to him. I don't have time to prep it today, so he said he would do it for me. So he's going to knock that out real quick, and we're going to keep moving on this thing. By the way, I don't know if you guys remember from the last video, the mirror was dangling off. I actually went in and re-epoxied the mounting holes for the screws and refastened the mirror for the car, so we don't have to buy new mirrors now. So that's cool. go. That's it. 2 days from a total Z to a totally rad Z. Looks good. I love the color that we did. It's a factory Toyota color. I like it. I'm a big fan of red. So we are still ordering a body kit for it. It's on its way. It'll be here probably in a couple months because I'm pretty sure it's made to order. It's super sick. I mixed up another gallon of paint, so we definitely have enough to paint the parts as they come in. My goal here was just to get the car in one color. That way we can get it out of the shop. When the parts come in, I can color match them. We can put everything on, and Chris will be able to move forward with this project. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that build on Chris's channel, Rice for Miata. It's going to be sick. He has some cool plans. I appreciate every single one of you for sticking around and showing me some love on the channel. And if you haven't yet, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out, and we're growing. So see you on the next one. Peace.